Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the easiest $300 per day you guys can make from day trading stocks. We're going to be talking about the strategy and approach that I took this morning. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you do, smash that like button, subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about trading, check out our school. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat. But more importantly, we actually teach you to trade. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. It's like a college class, but for traders. So click that link, sign up, and you guys can get 50% off by using code FIRST50. Today is the last day for that code. So if you want to go ahead and sign up and get 50% off, use that code. I'll see you guys in there, and let's jump into this here. So when it comes with trading and day trading, a lot of people are saying, well, Carter, why are you done trading? It's only 10:16 in the morning, right? My day pretty much just started. Well, for me, I love the approach, the rule of threes. When you have three winners in a row, you take the rest of the day off. When you have three losers in a row, you take the day off, right? And you reevaluate, you review, and reset. So as of right now here, we took a beautiful, beautiful trade on VOO, which is just the Vanguard S&P 500. Now, I want to show you guys why we traded it here. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do, and we're going to pull up our charting, we're going to look at the hourly time frame. So each of these candlesticks represent 1 hour of trading. Now, looking at this, you guys can see just this general point of resistance. So it hits it, sell off, hits it, sell off, hits it, sell off. It just has a very, very hard time breaking above that point, classifying a resistance, okay? We also, as we go to the RSI, we were trading for about a 68 on the RSI, which historically, anything over a 60 or around a 70 is an overvalued point, and we could get a little sell-off. Now, we also went ahead and we went and looked at a lower time frame. Now, because you never just want to look at one time frame, you want to look at several, because one time frame could be telling you to buy, one time frame could be telling you to sell. So then we went ahead and we went to the 5-minute chart here. The 5-minute chart was crucial to the trade. Now, you guys can see here, one of the most important indicators that I personally use is going to be the MACD indicator. This is an entry point indicator. So what we see here is this orange line break down through that blue line. This is what we call a short opportunity. Also, the RSI was at an 85. What did I say? If it's over a 70, it's overvalued. So we had a lot more short side potential. On top of that, this stock squeezed up pre-market. Or this ETF really squeezed up pre-market. Stocks don't just go up forever. They often go up and they'll sell off back down to a point here. So now I'm looking at this and I go, okay, let's go ahead and look at an even lower time frame here. So we went ahead and we went to the minute chart. You guys can see that it opened up and it formed just this general downward trend. So it was hitting this point of resistance, hits it here, and this was our entry point near and around 519. Now, my thought process was this: going ahead, let me make sure we have the right, there we go. Going ahead, putting our stop loss just above the high at about 520 for a possible push down to that resist or that support at that 200-day moving average line. And you guys can see that gave a risk versus reward of about 2.6. So what that means is I'm risking $1 to make $2. The reason why this is so important for traders is because if you're starting out and maybe you only have $1,500 and, over the course of a year, you find a stock like this once a week, right? Not even every day. Risking in this circumstance, we risked about 1 to 2%. So we'll go 1% with a risk of reward of 2.6. Your win-loss percentage, even if you're at 50-50, at the end of the year, you've turned $1,500 into over $2,200. Imagine though, your win-loss percentage is 40%. You're still profitable. And that's why good risk management is so incredibly important. But with this one here, our risk was even lower, not even at 1%, at 0.1%. So even if we put that in, you can see it's going to be a lot better there. So, and that's the thing about trading, right? Is going ahead, doing basic indicator work, basic risk management. And honestly, what's crazy is it sold off down to that 200-day EMA line, which is a heavy support for the stock. This would have been a beautiful entry point on a push up. But, for me, I covered profit. We've been very consistent over this past week, executing great trades. And that's what you got to focus on. Yeah, you can jump in and out of positions all day long, but if you're not making any money, it's not even worth it to do. So for me, we captured great profit, over $300. So now we're just sitting back in. We're watching the stock, and if anything else pops up, we're probably just going to sit and watch, to be honest with you. And that's what makes up a very successful trader. A lot of people think that in order to be successful with trading, you got to turn $10 into 1,000 in 30 days, when in reality, most successful traders are traders that make money off consistency and making, taking those 1, 2, 3% returns and just compounding them over the course of a year. That's what makes up a successful trader. So I hope you guys will enjoy today's video. If you do, smash that like button, subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about trading, check out our school. And guys, everybody always asks, they go, Carter, what is the broker you use? I use Moomoo. I'll put a link to them down below. You guys can get up to 30 free stock just by signing up. So click that link, sign up, check out our merch, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care.